Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And there is a very important update regarding Sydenham MSc Finance registrations. The registrations have already started and a lot of you have been asking me, sir, JB का कब start होगा? JB को maybe थोड़ा समय लग सकता है, but as of now, the important update is Sydenham MSc Finance registrations have started and they are ending on 30th of June. That is point number one. Point number two, the billion-dollar question. That is whether this course is worth enough to apply, and second is, am I eligible for that particular course? My percentile is so on and so forth. Shall I apply to that particular course? Now, let me first evaluate and then I'll give you the details about the eligibility criteria and everything. Number one, whether or not you should be applying to this particular course at a low score, that is around 85-90 percentile as well. Now, if I tell you the statistics about 2025 ka MSc Finance ka registrations as well as the students who got shortlisted, there were around, as they have 320 students, they have 32 seats, so they will obviously be calling around 320 to 400 students. 320 to 400 students for the IPA, that is in-person assessment. Now, if I look at the 2025 ka registrations, particularly there were around 400 students or around 450 students who had applied to this particular course. So what happened is everyone, I repeat, everyone who applied for this particular course was called for a personal interview, that is in-person assessment. So whether or not you have a low percentile or high percentile, you are absolutely good enough to apply to this course. Maybe अगर आपने एटमा दिया होगा, मैथ दिया होगा, still you can apply to that particular course. मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे, ठीक है? Similarly, मैथ एक बार मैं चेक करता हूँ, एटमा तो confirm है. Anyways, having said that, now also whether this course is doing good, the answer is yes, absolutely this course is doing good. We have taken a lot many reviews from our students studying at Sydenham. They have particularly said, sir, Sydenham का MSc Finance बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. Particularly, it is helping you to get placed in finance domains. So this is a very good. So let's say, for example, if you are someone who is really interested in finance but is not getting into the top two colleges of JB or Sydenham in the MMS course, maybe you are a 90 percentile, 95 percentile, 96 percentile, or even an 88 percentile, you still have a good enough chance to convert this particular course. So, अगर आपका सही में फाइनेंस में इंटरेस्ट है, make sure that you apply to this particular course. Registration process बहुत ज़्यादा simple है, and मैं details भी आपको explain करता हूँ क्या क्या eligibility criteria, so on and so forth. So, I have particularly answered two of your queries. One, should I apply at a low score? The answer is yes, it is a good investment. Two, similarly, whether the course is doing good, absolutely it is doing good, way better than most of the colleges in CET. Okay? So these are the two main important questions. Now let me tell you the process as well as the eligibility criteria. However, before doing that, let me tell you about the MSc Finance course that we are already learning and has a very good feedback as well about the course that we have started for MSc Finance, JB and Sydenham. You have around 10 course sessions, उसमें से 2 हो चुके हैं, orientation हो चुका है, that is available on the YouTube as well. And एक finance का lecture भी हो चुका है, that happened on the last Sunday. I will also upload that if possible. Similarly, 20 GDs and VAT, 2 plus mock interviews and 1 pre-mock interviews is what is there for MSc Finance. For the MHRD, 20 GDs and VAT, 2 plus mock interviews, 1 pre-mock interview, and we are also planning 2 plus course sessions as well for MHRD. Having said that, these are the faculties, PhD guides, CAs, CFAs, CMAs are all helping us to teach you for the MSc Finance as well as MHRD, and also they will be among some of the panelists who will be taking your interviews as well. So you may check for yourself about the panelists who are teaching you as well as taking your interviews for MSc Finance as well as MHRD. Point one. And the most important thing is, इसका feedback आप देख सकते हो. These are the screenshots attached of the feedback of the course. And most important is, if you do not get a IPA call, that is in-person assessment call, अगर आप फॉर्म भर रहे हैं लेकिन आपको IPA call नहीं आया, and you have already subscribed to a course, then what we are offering is a 50% refund. 50% refund if you don't get a in-person, that is stage 2 का call अगर आपको नहीं आता है तो 50% refund आपको हो जाएगा. So it is a good enough amount to invest. आप easily invest कर सकते हैं. Having said that, now let us come back to the MSc Finance का details notification के. Applications are invited, admissions to first year, 2 years, full-time MSc Finance program. Schedule for MSc Finance program ये आपको दिया है. Now comes the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria says students should have a minimum 3-year bachelor's degree. So minimum 3 years का degree चाहिए. with a 50%, with at least 50% of aggregate, 45% in case of candidates for reserved category and economically weaker sections as well. So EWS के लिए 45%, ठीक है. Similarly, and persons with disabilities, PWD, उनके लिए भी belonging to Maharashtra candidates only, ठीक है, or its equivalent. Having said that, students have obtained a non-zero score. Non-zero score चाहिए आपका MBA, CET, CAT, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, MAT or GMAT. So MAT is also accepted for MSc Finance का course. So a lot many students have scored low in CET, but have scored good enough in MAT or ATMA. You still have a very good chance of getting into SIDNEM MSc Finance का course. So make sure you apply. ठीक है, ये CAT, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, MAT और GMAT and MBA CET 2026 का attempt. They have not clarified about whether मैट जून और मैट अप्रैल और कौन सा ये एक्सेप्ट होगा. So that is okay if you have a good score in MAT, irrespective of which month you have taken the exam. It is you may apply. ठीक है, बढ़ते हैं आगे. Having said that, so the fees that they have asked for the payment is 1200 rupees. 1200 rupees for open category and 1000 for reserve category. That is so on and so forth. You also need some original documents that you need to upload. That is SSC, HSC or diploma equivalent graduation final year mark sheet. Degree certificate अगर आपका कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है तो आप अपियरिंग लिख सकते हैं. Entrance exam score, birth certificate and caste certificate for reserve category. So these are the documents that you will need to fill this particular form. So make sure that you keep them handy, make sure that you keep them scanned and then start filling the form. Having said that, this is a timetable, that is the applications have started from 1st of June is what they say and will be available till 30th of June 2026. Moving ahead, अब यहाँ पे ये आपको दिखेगा कहाँ पे, पर्टिकुलरली ऑन द वेबसाइट, ऑन द होम पेज, वहाँ पे एमएससी फाइनेंस का एक ये है टैब है जहाँ पे आपको नोटिफिकेशन दिखेगा. सेम वे में यू हैव टू फिल द गूगल फॉर्म. एक्चुअल में आपको एक गूगल फॉर्म ही भरना है. इट इज अ वेरी प्लेन, वेरी सिंपल, सीधा एक गूगल फॉर्म है. लास्ट ईयर भी गूगल फॉर्म था. इवन इनका जो कैप राउंड का, सॉरी जो स्पॉट राउंड का होता है, स्पॉट राउंड में भी आपको गूगल फॉर्म ही भरना पड़ता है. सो देयर इज नथिंग वेरी टेक्निकल थिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू. एक सिंपल गूगल फॉर्म भरना है, बट कैसे वो मैं बता देता हूं. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द लिंक, दिस पर्टिकुलर लिंक. जो पर्टिकुलर ईमेल आईडी से आप भरना चाहते हैं, मेक श्योर दैट आप ईमेल आईडी सही रखें, उसी से फॉर्म भरिएगा, बिकॉज यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द कम्युनिकेशन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर मेल आईडी. Having said that, this Google form शुरू होने के बाद कुछ इस तरह से दिखेगा. Your first name, middle name, surname, date of birth, your genders. Let's see. Moving ahead, then your mobile number, WhatsApp number, email ID, birthplace, Aadhaar number is what they ask for. State of domicile, nationality, blood group, religion, and then your categories are here. उसके बाद permanent address, current address, father's name, so on and so forth. ठीक है, बढ़ते हैं आगे. Let's see. Moving ahead. Then they ask you for the examination details, that is entrance examination details. Now जो भी आप click करेंगे, accordingly एक tab open होगा. This is a required question is what they say. So if you click on MBA CET तो MBA CET का details पूछेगा. If you click on CAT तो CAT के details उस तरह से. So wherever you have a higher score, you may do that. Let's see. Let me check if you can apply for through more than 2 exams. वो हमने check नहीं किया था, but आप check करके देख सकते हैं. Let's see. So this is MBA CET का, ये सारी details पूछेगा आपको. Upload the scorecard is what they ask for. Size याद रखिएगा, maximum size is 10 MB. Moving ahead, then if you are someone who is applying through CAT, these are the details that they ask for. CMAT and then ZAT and then ATMA or MAT, GMAT and yeah. Then they ask you for the academic details. Academic details में ये सब आपको fill करना है. SSC, so on and so forth, वगैरह सब कुछ. Seat number भी पूछा है. Surprisingly, a lot of you students might not have the seat numbers for HSC. तो जो भी आपका कुछ ऊपर दिख रहा है, वो जो भी आपका सर्टिफिकेट है, वो वाला आप नंबर पुट कर सकते हैं वहां पे. ये सारी चीजें. एग्जामिनेशन डिटेल्स, अपीयर्ड और कंप्लीटेड. इफ यू आर स्टिल इन योर फाइनल ईयर, यू हैवंट गॉट योर रिजल्ट्स, यू मे क्लिक ऑन द अपीयर्ड थिंग. बढ़ते हैं आगे. लेट्स सी. देन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, आपको करना क्या है. हाउ डू यू पे फॉर द प्रोसेस. पर्टिकुलरली आपको इस अकाउंट नंबर पे either you can do IMPS, you can do UPI, whichever way mode of payment you would like to do. वहां पे आपको 1200 फॉर द ओपन कैटेगरी एंड 1000 फॉर द रिजर्व कैटेगरी आपको ये पेमेंट करना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट इन, यहाँ पे भी आपको क्लिक करना है रिजर्व कैटेगरी या फिर ओपन कैटेगरी, अकॉर्डिंगली आपको पेमेंट करना है. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. पहले 600 भरा एंड देन वापस 600 भरा. पे द फुल फीस एट वंस. Similarly, then you have to tell them the transaction date, the transaction ID, and then you have to upload a screenshot. I believe no screenshot nahi hai yahan pe, transaction ID aapko likh ke you have to submit your response. So this is how you will be filling the form. But a very important thing, that if you are seriously interested in this course, irrespective of whatever your percentile is, be it in MSc ETMA, MAT, so on and so forth, you stand a very good chance of getting it converted. Having said that, in-person assessment में GDPI वगैरह सब कुछ होगा, and we are making sure that you get ready for it. That was about MSc Finance, guys. I will be uploading the second lecture as well about the MSc Finance ka course. All the very best. If you have any queries, please make sure that you drop in the comments. I will be seeing you soon. Thank you.